Alright, so that's the starter right here. First time I started this, got a little busy, so I'm going to finish. There are 2 bolts right here on the end, and one right there. I need to put on the second bolt, and it is done. It took him like 4 hours to get this thing, the old one out and the new one in. And that's it. You can't work with those. Also, I noticed this extra connector. So I phoned my brother. You can't really see it right here, that one. He said that's the ground connector. I need to connect it before I put the bolt on to the other side of the starter. So that's what I'm about to do.
Worst part of all of that was this jack. I let the vehicle down so fast.